Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last new. This time we talk about BTS V and Blackpink Jennie calf kissing in Paris. Army debunk viral pic with proof. As they slam YG Leaker, an individual calling themselves YG Leaker has stirred up a major social media frenzy over the past week, claiming to have access to sensitive, never before seen content about K-pop idols and their private lives. The leaker claimed that they possess a terabyte of explosive material that could potentially bring down the entire K-pop industry. Among the most controversial content, the leaker dropped to the illegal photo BTS V and Blackpink Jennie in a passionate kiss during a romantic Parisian getaway. For those who may not know, V and Jennie have been the subject of dating rumors for a year, getting significant attention in 2022. Analysts released a legal video showing the two walking hand in hand in Paris. The footage ignited a storm of speculation among fans, but their respective agencies choose not to comment, citing privacy concerns and the surrounding hair. The rumored couple, now in 2025, the YG leaker has reignited those rumors by sharing the purported kissing picture of the two stars. However, BTS fans known as ARMY were quick to debunk the image, presenting evidence that proved it to be fake. They slammed the leaker for spreading false information and gaining clout in the name of V. Despite the backlash, the YG leaker insisted they have even more proof to the share, and YG Leaker shared a legal picture of BTS V and Jennie. The picture shows a couple whose faces are invisible and the indulging in a lip lock, while the girl appears in all white attire. The man is seen sporting an olive hoodie pair with black pants. Sharing the picture, the illegal leaker on Instagram wrote, "Who do you think these are? The leader." And the further claim, "I told you I have many pictures, but I will post them in due time." And Army debunked the viral claim. Army were quick to fact check and debunk the photo. A keen-eyed fan noticed that the image bore a striking resemblance to a picture of celebrity Bradley Cooper and the arena shake, revealing it to be a case of mistaken identity. One fan also shared a screenshot of an article dating back to 2025, which stated the Bradley Cooper and Irina Shayk were seen making out of the street of Paris. When you are and they are you going to stop spreading false information about this member, and you have been getting the interaction you wanted for days? Leave Taeyong alone, you and the obsessive psychopath. Another fan wrote, "When you are going to stop spreading false information about BTS member you have been getting the interaction you wanted for days? Leave Taeyong alone." Meanwhile, fans have been also began calling out the Instagram account claiming to be the YG Leaker, accusing of it being a fake. Many believe the real YG Leaker is actually active in Discord, with the Instagram account simply being an impersonator trying to capitalize on the growing hype. And who is YG Leaker? A social media figure known as the YG Leaker has emerged, claiming to be a former employee of YG Entertainment, seeking revenge after being fired. This individual claimed they possess a vast amount of sensitive data, claiming to be a former employee of YG Entertainment, seeking revenge after being fired. This individual claimed they possess a vast amount of sensitive data which can expose the darker side of K-pop industry, including incident of the mobbing, racism, and the sexism within YG Entertainment. Before releasing the leaked content on Discord, the YG leaker openly expressed their motivation, stating, "I hate the whole company." They also implicated several other major South Korean entertainment agencies, including SM and the SM Entertainment, Hype Label, Cube Entertainment, RBW, Blockberry Creative, JYP Entertainment, WM Entertainment, and Starship Entertainment. And now, who is YG Leaker? A social media figure known as the YG Leaker has emerged, claiming to be a former employee of YG Entertainment, seeking revenge after being fired. This individual claimed they possess a vast amount of sensitive data which can expose the darker side of K-pop industry, including the incident of the mobbing, racism, and sexism within YG Entertainment. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. This time, goodbye.